Welcome to our first video in this channel where we're going to talk about cell. The cell is the basic structural unit of living things. Some organisms like amoeba are made up of a single cell and therefore they are called unicellular organisms. Organisms like humans are made up of billions and billions of cells, and they are called multicellular organisms. These cells have much in common, which we are going to discuss in this video. The study of cell is cytology. The study of cell is called cytology. When you analyze a cell in a light microscope, you can see that it is a structure that looks like this. It's a structure that looks like this. And this membrane is called the cell membrane. It demarcates the cell from the rest of the environment, and we call it cell membrane. Usually at the center of the cell there is a dark staining area. It's a dark staining area. It's a dark staining area like this. And we call it the nucleus of the cell. It's called nucleus of the cell. We call it nucleus of the cell. When you look at the structure, you can see that there is a space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It's a large space, and this space is called the cytoplasm of the cell. It's called the cytoplasm of the cell. Sometimes you can see some debris in the cytoplasm like this. Debris. And we call these debris cytoplasmic granules. We call them cytoplasmic granules. They are called cytoplasmic granules. But what these cytoplasmic granules actually are, the cytoplasmic granules are actually, various structures in the cell, and we call them cells organelles. We call them organelles. And we are going to analyze the organelles when we look at greater detail of the cell. So in the next video, I'm going to show you cell as seen with an electron microscope, which has better magnification than the light microscope. So this structure, we can name it as generalized animal cell. As seen with a light microscope. Generalized animal cell as seen with a light microscope. So I'm going to pause here and move to the next video. Just watch the next video where we are going to see greater detail of the animal cell.